So tired. Let's see how I drink my coffee today.
What are you talking about? There's only one way to drink coffee.
What?
Your body needs a little bit of caffeine, not another vitamin that doesn't wake you up. The blue pill doesn't work, Red Bull doesn't work. Energy, blowing steam like the player Lamine. What? I go straight in your vein, direct to the brain. I'm all for the gain, removing the pain. Your head is a mezzo, everybody says, oh, they call me espresso. Wah!
Espresso.
Jesus, that was intense. You gotta slow down a little bit, brother. You're all over the place. Listen, we both have the same amount of caffeine, but you don't see me snapping like that. And why not? Because I have more water, you see? H2O. Because it's very important to stay hydrated. And don't rush it. Just go your own pace. Flowing. The secret of a good coffee is not even coffee. It's water.
Americano.
Ah, boy, nothing is more boring than talking about water. It's a lot more fun if you add milk instead. Very nutritious and very creamy and full of calcium and that fat and protein. Now let's talk about the visuals. Oh my god, do you like this dark looking liquid? Or you prefer some latte art? What do you like? A nice heart? A pretty tulip? Or rosetta?
Latte.
I kind of agree with everything the latte here said about milk being delicious and nutritious and all that good stuff. But there's actually no need to be so big. There is no need to be so freaking huge. 10 ounces for what, sir? I mean, this is coffee, not soup. When good things are brief, they're twice as good. Just a shot of coffee and a little bit of milk. Don't complicate it.
Cortado.
I don't know why I keep coming to these events when I know in my heart they're never gonna pick me. I wouldn't even pick myself. Look at all this coffee, so strong and energetic. And me, much weaker than a cup of tea. Oh, I couldn't feel worse for myself right now. Who created me and why?
Maybe someone who wanted to drink coffee at night and be able to sleep later.
What kind of person wants that anyway?
Decaf! Okay, everyone's chances just dropped to zero. The soul of the party is here to win this thing. Milk and water, you say? That's very nice for a school lunchbox. Coffee needs something a bit more joyful. Whiskey, sugar, and cream. Cause life is already too hard. You might as well put a little bit of sugar on it.
Irish.
Okay, dude. Which one of us will it be?
Maybe I want to go with the matcha.